How to make a green screen duet on TikTok. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to make a green screen duet on TikTok. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So to begin, open up the TikTok app and find the video that you want to duet with. Then tap the share button on the right. In the menu that appears, select Duet. Next, on the right, tap on Layout, then select Green Screen at the bottom. You will then see the original TikTok in the background, and you will appear in front of their video as a cutout. If you'd like to speak over the video you're duetting, tap the microphone button on the right to turn your mic on. When you begin recording, their video will play in the background as you record your duet. Tap the record button again when you're ready to stop recording. Edit your video as normal, adding any filters, text, effects as you like. At the posting stage, you'll see that the original creator is automatically tagged in your caption. Configure your sharing settings how you'd like them, then go ahead and post your duet video. And that's all it takes to make a green screen duet on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.